In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Venmo card to Cash App quickly and correctly. Now, this works for the Venmo debit card, not the app balance itself. But before we begin, you can only add the Venmo debit card to Cash App, not your Venmo account balance directly from Venmo. So the first thing that you need to do is open Cash App, tap the profile icon or banking tab on the home screen, and go to the linked banks or link cards. Now tap the link a debit card and enter your Venmo debit card details such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, billing or zip code, and you can find these details in your Venmo app under your Venmo card section. Now, tap the Add a Card and wait for Cash App to verify it. If approved, your Venmo card will appear under Link Cards. If it doesn't work, you want to make sure that your Venmo card is activated, double check card details, and ensure Cash App is updated. And once added, you can now use your Venmo debit card as a payment method inside Cash App for any supported transactions. Please take note that some transactions may be restricted depending on the card type. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to add your Venmo card to Cash App. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.